Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer language exercises with Brainly detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring language exercises with Brainly, first, ensure you have a registered account on the Brainly platform. Open the Brainly app or website and log in using your credentials. Navigate to the section where you can search for language exercises. In the search bar, enter the specific language topic or exercise you wish to find. Browse through the results to locate the relevant exercise you need. Click on the exercise to view its details. Take note of the exercise format and any specific instructions provided. Next, open a new document or note-taking app where you will transfer the exercise. Carefully copy the text of the exercise from Brainly. Paste the copied text into your document. Ensure the formatting remains clear and easy to read. If the exercise includes images or charts, make sure to take screenshots of them. Insert the screenshots into your document in the appropriate locations. Add any comments or additional notes you find helpful for understanding the exercise. Review your document to ensure all information is accurately transferred. Save your document with a clear title related to the language exercise. You can now access your transferred language exercises anytime for study purposes. Once satisfied with the transfer, log out of Brainly if you're done using the platform. You have successfully transferred language exercises from Brainly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.